Turn trash into treasure. DIY table bucket from packaging box step-by-step guide our modern life. We come across countless packaging materials, boxes, wrappers, cartons, and containers that often end up in the dustbin without a second thought. These materials pile up around us, occupying space, disrupting the beauty of our surroundings. Welcome to this creative DIY tutorial, where we explore how waste can be transformed into something beautiful and functional. In today's video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of turning a simple cardboard packing box into a decorative and useful table bucket. This is not just a recycling project, it's a shift in mindset. With a little imagination and some basic tools, we can convert what we usually throw away into practical home decor. You'll see how packaging waste can become an essential part of your home organization system, or even evolve into a handmade product that others would love to buy. From boring box to awesome organizer, DIY table bucket hack for teens. Hey creative minds! Do you ever look at all the empty boxes and trash lying around at home and think, there's gotta be something cool I can do with this? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're turning an ordinary, boring packing box into an epic table bucket that not only looks awesome, but also helps you stay super organized. Whether it's for school supplies, art stuff, gadgets, or even snacks, this DIY hack has your back. You'll need 1 packing box rescued from the recycling bin, a paper cutter or scissors with adult help if needed, glue regular or glue stick works fine, colorful paper for decoration, a piece of board for the base optional but helpful, your creative brain, and a big smile. What you can use it for: storing pens, markers, notebooks, keeping phone cables, headphones, and chargers in one place. A fun way to hold makeup, mini gadgets, or secret snacks, or just decorate your room with your very own creation. This is more than just a craft, it's a way to take control of your space, show off your skills, and maybe even start your own little side hustle. Want to join the fun? Press play, follow along, and try it out yourself. You can even do it with friends or family as a fun weekend challenge. And hey, if you liked the idea, in this 5-minute journey, you'll learn how to transform an old cardboard box into a colorful storage bucket, add your own style using colored paper, stickers, or doodles. Create something that could actually be sellable, yes, even on Instagram or at school fairs. Help the planet by recycling smartly. Is a craft project this anyone can do, from beginners to budding design pros? Hit the like button. Drop your comments below with your own ideas. Share it with your squad, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool, eco-smart DIYs. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our next fun invention. Let's turn junk into genius, one project at a time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.